Hi guys, it's Vanessa. I am back on the roof of my apartment complex. I'm here to talk about how I see it differently after what we learned last week and after the exam and everything. So earlier when the semester started, I chose this because it was convenient and I felt it was a good space of man-made and nature components combined. I have everything we've learned has changed how I see the rooftop now, though, and this urban area I live in. One concept that really changed how I see this whole location is the watersheds. And I never really, before this class, thought about where rainwater goes, especially it's been raining a lot. And I never thought about where it goes with these like very high buildings. I probably would have assumed that it just like gets soaked into the ground or it just goes down pipes or something. But now I understand that heavy urbanized areas like this one in Los Angeles, most surfaces are impermeable, meaning water can't easily just soak into the ground. And because of that, rainwater quickly becomes runoff and flows into storm drains and eventually into rivers like the Los Angeles River. Standing here on the rooftop, I could see how much of the city is covered in concrete buildings and pavement. So that means during heavy rainfall, a lot of water moves quickly through the watershed, which can increase discharge in rivers and make flooding more likely. This concept comes from our course materials about rivers and flooding in the Living with Earth and chapters 5 through 7. It also connects to the modules on rivers and floodings where we learned how human activities like paving surfaces and removing vegetation can increase flood risk. Learning this new stuff changed how I see the rooftop because it's actually just part of a much larger watershed system. Even a small surface like this roof contributes to how water moves through the city and eventually into places like the Los Angeles River. So, yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you later.